Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Verify you have admin rights and a full local backup of any OneDrive content you'll need later. Open OneDrive settings on your PC and pause syncing. This prevents partial uploads or conflicts. Next, sign out OneDrive on each device and disable Office autosave so files won't re-upload. Once done, stop the sync client service and confirm no background sync processes remain. This prepares you for account-level closure without lost data. Now you'll deactivate and detach OneDrive from your accounts. In your Microsoft account portal, unlink and remove any connected devices and revoke app permissions. Make sure to transfer ownership of shared folders or delete shared links to avoid orphaned files. After that, uninstall OneDrive apps from all phones and tablets and clear cached data so nothing resynchronizes. If you use an organization account, request IT to remove OneDrive license assignments. Finish by removing the OneDrive service from your Microsoft profile or by contacting IT to revoke the OneDrive license. For personal accounts, request account or service deletion through account settings. Make sure every file is backed up elsewhere and all shared links are revoked so there's no residual access. If the client still syncs, perform a OneDrive reset, check Windows credentials for stored tokens, and review sync logs. If problems continue, escalate to Microsoft support with your logs for troubleshooting and final confirmation of permanent closure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.